Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and this wheel picker shows that it is time for a giveaway. You probably already saw it in the video as well, in the title, but I just wanted to play a little bit of catch up. And Valerie and I did put together a For the Love of Fandom 2021. And we had a first prize of a $50 gift card to TSA. And then we also had a second place prize of a $25 gift card to Amazon. What you needed to do is you needed to put in an entry with a Google Doc, needed to do your wonderful For the Love of Fandom piece, and then you needed to put in a completed entry as well, and you needed to have a 30 by 40 space completed in order to qualify. Did not need to be finished. And here are the people that entered the completed form. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spin the wheel for the first place prize, spin the wheel for the second place prize, and then I'm going to pause the video, go confirm that they did an entry as well, because this is from the completed form, and I'm going to confirm that they posted either on Facebook or Instagram their completed photo. So are you guys excited? I'm so excited. You guys did a great job. I loved seeing the Instagram. Let's go over to Instagram. Let's see what's going on over there for the Love of Fandom and see what you guys did. So hashtag for, the Love of Fandom 2021. You guys did fantastic. Let's see what we got here. Look at all of these people. You guys did great. It was just, oh, I love this pivot. It was just whatever you're a fan of, whatever you're doing. You guys did so many good, look at all the different things people love. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to see all of this. Beautiful, beautiful. So yes, go check out hashtag For the Love of Fandom 2021 and you'll see some amazing pictures. Okay, here we go. You guys ready? We're going to spin for second place. This is for the Amazon $25 gift card. Second place prize. Here we go. Spin, spin, spin. Is it your lucky day? Jennifer K. All right, Jennifer K. You are the second place prize winner for the Amazon gift card. I'm going to go pause this in a few seconds and check and see what your image was and where you posted it, and then I will show everybody. Okay, so we're going to put her away. And then we're going to spin for first place. So this is for the $50 gift card to Treasure Studios Art. Here we go. Debbie Z, you won a $50 gift card to Treasure Studios Art. So I am going to pause this. I'm going to go find your pieces, come back, show people, and we will get those out to you. So I love you all. I'll see you in just a second. Hey, and we're back. So I went and looked up Debbie Z, and as you can see here, she has a finish and For the Love of Fandom. And what was really cool is she actually framed it. That is so awesome, Debbie. And then Jennifer K did Friends, and as you can see here, For the Love of Fandom 2021, and she did post it. So you guys both win your gift cards. I will be emailing you and letting you know this is not a scam. You have one, and I can't wait to see what you purchase with those gift cards. So thank you so much for participating in the hashtag For the Love of Fandom 2021. Continue to post on the Instagram throughout the year if you are finishing up or if you have some more fandom. I know I finished my piece I started with, but I'm also doing Maleficent, and Harley Quinn. So I'm posting those until I finish them. So I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what you guys have in store. And maybe we'll do For the Love of Fandom 2022. So take care. Love you all. Bye-bye.